We're following through tonight. The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled Virginia can continue to purge voter registrations of people state officials suspect are not U.S. citizens. This is just ahead of Election Day.
News 3's Erica Craven brings us reaction from people for and against the purge.
At Governor Glenn Youngkin's order, election workers began removing roughly 1,600 people from voter rolls back in August. That was as they compared voter registration lists to DMV data. And on that DMV data, they said those people had self-identified as non-citizens. Since non-citizens can't vote in federal elections, the discussion on this voter registration purge was about the timing, as it fell on the first day of a 90-day quiet period before the election, and about whether it negatively impacted legal voters. Those who fought against the purge argue that it did.
We know that Virginia's voter purge has removed eligible voters. I've personally spoken with several, including one who became naturalized over 30 years ago.
The Commonwealth argued the action simply stops people who aren't U.S. citizens from voting. Virginia Attorney General Jason Miyares released a statement after the Supreme Court's decision.
This is a win for common sense. It's a win for the rule of law. It means that Virginia can continue to be allowed to follow our own laws, this idea that Virginia citizens should be deciding Virginia elections.
That reaction was echoed by Governor Youngkin, who said, quote, "Clean voter rolls are one important part of a comprehensive approach we're taking to ensure the fairness of our elections. Virginians can cast their ballots on Election Day knowing that Virginia's elections are fair, secure, and free from politically motivated interference," end quote. Others were disappointed in the ruling, saying naturalized citizens hear this message:
that our voices are not valued and not wanted and not American.
Especially since people can get driver's licenses before citizenship, which could influence the lists used to purge voters.
This relying on outdated and flawed data to remove thousands of people from the rolls is at best reckless.
Those groups in opposition plan to continue to fight against the voter purge in court. In the meantime, Election Day is November 5th. People who can legally vote but were removed in the purge can still vote. They'll just need to check their registration status and re-register. And Virginia has same-day registration. In Norfolk, Erica Craven, News 3.